glass with metal plastic. Explore your sound difference. Hold your sound in different container. Big or small, does the sound is different.
I'm coming, baby. I'm coming, baby.
Capable of changing its cabinet for limitless fun. Turn your ordinary mug, cup, bottle, jar, vase into a speaker. Explore your voice is different in different containers, big or small. Teacups, coffee cups, vases, clay pots, paper cups, etc. ACNCTOP hands the control back to you. ACNCTOP wants everyone to have their own customized, personalized portable speakers. You've got lots and lots of mugs sitting in our kitchen for coffee and for tea. How about setting a nuclear for them? Big, small, wooden or metal, they can all be your speaker cabinet. ACNCTOP Music on Cup silicone speaker cover. When placed on any container, high flexibility to form a perfect airtight space. A Bluetooth speaker that can replace the cabinet for endless fun. Mix and match with anything of opening from 6 to 12 cm. You are freed from the same sound performance once and for all. Professional speakers had everything fixed. We made everything FL.